And this is the software architecture of our simulator. And these are 4 functions. The first one is the server. The server will be worked on the Linux server, and the central server control and manage all the information about the robots, humans, avatar, and so on. And the dynamics simulation, dynamics calculation is manipulated by the server. And the second part is the agent controller. The agent controller is just a robot program. So the participant of the competition will write a program of the robots, autonomous robot functions in this controller, and the program should be attached on the server. And third part is the service provider. This is a little bit unique function for this simulator. But to say briefly, the service provider is a device driver for the interface and device driver for the robot functions. In this simulator, the normal and example, the sample robot is provided. For example, the robot, humanoid robot and the mobile robot is available. But if the participant wants to add the new devices or new sensor on the robots, the device driver should be written in this module. And HMD and Kinect is the default device driver, default interface for the client simulator. But for example, haptic interface or other device might be added to the simulator. In that case, the user will like a kind of device driver for a new device. Then it will be work on the simulator. And finally, this is the client software work in the Windows. And this client system will connect to the server and sometimes connect to this kind of device driver to hold the natural user interactions. Then, using this simulator, we actually hold a cleanup task in the local Japan Open. It was held in this last May. And the cleanup task is one of the typical tasks in RoboCup at home. The robot tries to find some object using the camera and using image processing. And after taking the object and move it to trash, away into the trash boxes. Actually, this challenge was performed as a technical challenge at the Japan Open 2013, and 5 teams were attended. And this trial was so evaluated by the audience, and we got the award from the Society for Artificial Intelligence. Then I think this is a very valuable record of our research project. And this is open software, so everyone can use it. Everyone can download it from the URL here. And this is the server and client is required, as I mentioned in the previous software configurations. And the server is working on the Linux server, and client is working on the client Windows. So install these 2 softwares on your computer, then the participant can write a program of robots using a special API based on C++ APIs. And we are now attempt to provide some wrapper for ROS and Open LTM components. So this is one of the candidates for the future RoboCup at home tasks, the collaborative cooking task. This kind of collaboration in the cooking is very complex, and recognition of the human, or recognition of the plan, or planning with the recipe. So many high-level intelligence is required. Then, not only like a good program of autonomous robot, but robot required to how to make a good communication, how to show the good collaborative interaction strategy to human that is required. And someone may log on to the avatar, and someone may left it, or someone may be the normal audience from the field. So it is one of the interesting point to join using the joining function from the real world. So my time is limited, and this is not only RoboCup society, RoboCup competition, but also this simulator has a potential for the future HRI research, I think. For example, this is one of the just a framework to promote the future development of HRI research, because it is a combination of the repetition of the modeling phase and the evaluation phase in real time in the loop structure. I mean, so many users can connect to the virtual world at the same time. The robot always receive some instruction or some comments from the general users, and using such a comments or receiving some experiences, the robot can modify some models. For example, the model is a strategy how to make a communication or some planning method or and so on. And using some learning techniques, the robots can develop their model in real time online. Then after that, the robot will make next interaction between the human, and repetition of such a structure might be a new and novel framework and structure to promote the next generation HR research, I think. So this is one of the tasks of the RoboCup at home. Connecting the ATM with the logging interface and the connecting interface, and doing the cleanup task with pointing and instruct to the robot which object should be trashed away. And this demonstration is now showing at this corner, just right side of the RoboCup at home field. So if you are interested, please contact our team Eraser. We will show you and you can log on to the virtual reality world around here. Okay. So thank you for your attention, and the information is available from this website or Facebook or mailing list. So everyone can join to and everyone can use it. So please contact me or please access to these web pages. Thank you for your attention.